Today's video is about peel and stick vinyl tile and why it shouldn't even be called peel and stick. I'll show you what happened in my bathroom when I used the peel and stick functionality. But I also want to introduce you to our newest family member here. His name is Paco. I mean, look how freaking cute he is. I think he's gonna help me boost my subscriber numbers. Yeah.
Vinyl tile is a great option no matter what your budget is, and one of the reasons is that you don't need any special tools. This is really all the tools you need for installation. Surface preparation is a very important step, and that's why I'm wiping down the whole area with alcohol. And then it should be just as easy as peeling off the backing and applying the tiles. But is it really that easy? We'll find out in a minute. Place the tile where you need it and press it down firmly. Because I will use grout in the end, I want to make sure that I have the same distance between all the tiles, and that's why I bought some spacers. Another important requirement according to manufacturer is that the product must be acclimated 48 to 72 hours before installation. Not acclimating the vinyl tile in the room of installation may result in the failure of the adhesive. I did acclimate the product for weeks. So now I had to go and Google what the problem could be. And what people recommended is to warm up the tile with a heat gun, an iron, or even a hairdryer. So I tried that. And still it all came crumbling down again. So then I went back to Home Depot, and the nice gentleman there told me to use stick and stay. So now this turned into something quite a bit more than just peeling off the paper. You have to apply the adhesive almost as you would do on a normal ceramic tile, but then it will stick. It will not move anymore once the adhesive dried. You definitely want to clean up any excessive glue right away. I'm actually very happy that the tile fell off now, pretty much right away, and not 3 months from now with all the grout applied. That would be a mess. So let's go over how to apply the adhesive. Once you peel off the paper, you spread the stick and stay with a multi-notched plastic adhesive spreader on the already sticky surface of the vinyl tile. Important is to keep using the spacers if you want to use real grout afterwards. Here I'm quickly removing the towel holder. I would say one of the biggest benefits using vinyl tile over ceramic is that it is so much easier to cut the tiles. As you can see here, you can use scissors to cut the tile, and a normal carpenter knife will just do fine. Score the tile a couple of times and then just break it off. Cut off the back paper, and that's how easy it is to cut vinyl tile. And now it's already time to apply grout. You want to make sure that you buy the pre-mixed grout that is recommended for vinyl tile. Apply the grout with your grout flow tool in small sections and then clean it off with the wet sponge. Usually I always apply tape when I do silicone, but this time I thought I'm gonna give this tool a chance and see if that actually works and if that makes the work easier. Because this is in a shower, you want to make sure that you use the 100% waterproof silicone that is meant to be used in shower areas. Using this caulking toolkit worked actually pretty well. I was surprised how clean the grout lines came out. Next, it was time to modify the door trim to put back into place. And here is the final result. If you don't actually touch the tile, you don't know the difference if it's a ceramic or a vinyl tile. It looks very realistic, especially with the real grout. As always, thank you for watching. If you like to see more of this kind of videos, please subscribe and push the like button. See you next time.